Hi friends, I am CS Fatima Kagalwala and I am here to share some very important information to you all about company secretary. Okay, it is about how you see your journey and how you want to perceive your journey. You have to just believe in yourself, okay, for that. Now, many people say that, and all the students, sometimes they have a doubt. They keep messaging me saying that we are not good enough and we don't think we'll be able to crack company secretary. But it is not the truth, okay? Company secretary is a professional course. So, mere intelligence is not going to help you clear the course with ease, all right? So, what you have to understand is you have to make a mindset. Okay, you have to understand from the day one that this is something professional. It will require professional discipline also, and brilliance and persistence as well. Brilliance in having that particular obedience towards this particular course. Okay, so there are struggles, okay, the real struggles which people must be discussing. Those who have done company secretary, I have done that, and I know that the struggles are of failed attempts. It is possible, okay. So even those students who think that okay, they have studied brilliantly and they are going to pass, it can happen that there is a failed attempt for that particular paper or that particular exam. English language sometimes becomes barriers, okay. You do not get the good guidance in English language. Financial pressure, and there is a late start in the career as well because of the failed attempts. But trust me, all this will become your past and it is not going to decide what is your future. In fact, I have some students who have done so many attempts, but today they have become brilliant in with that subjects. Okay, brilliant because they know the subject in and out because of the readings they have done at number of times. So it is the thing that you are not supposed to leave. Okay, it is the consistency which you are supposed to keep following from day one. Okay, and then only you will be able to achieve those big results. I used to study only 2 to 3 hours daily, but yes, it was an everyday event of study. Okay, it was a religiously done every day 3 to 4 hours. There has to be nothing else. Every day 2 3 hours, and here I am, a CS sitting in front of you, and I'm helping you out to rebuild your confidence. Okay, so write a goal, write CS in front of your name, stick it on the mirror, keep looking at that every day. Okay, avoid any negative influences. Okay, you can be slow. I was very slow. I used to study really slowly, but I used to study every day. From the time I enrolled as a CS, there was no single day where I can say I have not studied today. Okay, so that persistence you have to have in your mind, and find your good support system who can guide you well, who can help you guide you in English language, because you have to write the papers in that professionally. Okay, so do not do it all alone. Take the guidance from those who have done it well. Okay, though they might have failed or had failed attempts, but take the guidance and start believing you. Okay, believe in yourself. So your future is awaiting you. Take that CS badge. Okay, it is going to wait for you, and one day you are going to make yourself and others around you very proud. Okay, share this inspirational message to all those friends and people you know who needs this. Okay, who needs to hear this, who are doubting themselves and they think that oh no, it is not meant for us. Please share this particular video and this message to all those people and start your journey today. Stay connected with me, and we are going to meet soon again with some similar video. Bye bye.